Hello everyone and welcome back to the so today I thought I gonna show you I have gotten a sound unit for the Kraz, but it's one like this, so not super happy with it because it have no memory. I never tried this once before, but it have tense inbuilt sounds, but most car sounds, some that sounds like a truck, but it was cheap, so that's why I got it. I know you can get really good sounds and correct sounds if you push up the money a bit, but yeah, I didn't want to do this for this one. I have only the Kirovets I have done that on. The rest they are just some China sounds I have gotten. But yeah, I thought we were gonna try that, and but yeah, let's go out and try this one. Follow me. So let's turn this on and see how the first sound is sounding. Not that much truckily, but I think I'm gonna increase the volume a bit. Let's see how it sounds now. Yeah, I don't like that. Let's try another one and see how the rest sounds. Here we go. So this went on like forever, but I found a sound I liked after 3 pushes on the button, so let's go with that one. Because, yeah, I have to push the button every time I start this one. So here you have it, new Kraz 260 sound. It's not like the real one, but it will do on this model. So let us hear that big truck engine roar down the road. Here it comes. Yes, I like that gear grinding noise. Live with it. The brake sound I could live without, and also it doesn't rev up anything when you put it in reverse. So it's not perfect, but it will have to do on this one. I will not change it because I don't have the cash to do that right now, so yeah, let's live with it and see if it will work on some other videos in the future. Many of my videos I put in a bit of slow motion to make the truck moves a bit more realistic, and let's see how it sounds then. Well, it's far from good, but it will work, so yeah, I think I'm happy like this. Back to the bunker. Yeah, I'm not really pleased with this one. I will not buy this again, I think. But yeah, maybe I need to look more on the instruction, because so I can get some sound when it's backing up and stuff like that. But yeah, I think I will go back on this that I have on my old Kraz and my Seal, because then you guys can download sound and change a little bit how you want it yourself. So yeah, I think I'm going back to that on the Kamaz, and when it's time for that Ural. But yeah, I need to finish the Kamaz now, so hopefully next weekend I will have the time and the energy to actually do that. So yeah, that was all for this time. Goodbye!